Hi there, my name is Narcis and this is unboxing review for 970A-DS3P motherboard from Gigabyte. It is a motherboard with AM3 plus socket with ultra durable 4 technology and dual UEFI BIOS. The box describes some of the specifications of this motherboard and graphically shows what it means ultra durable 4, which includes protection for anti-surge, moisture, electrostatic voltage and high temperatures. In the box there is the back panel or I/O shield, 2 serial ATA data cable, English manual, disk with drivers and utilities, and installation guide in several languages covering all the aspects of hardware installation. Before removing the board from the anti-static bag, it is recommended to discharge yourself from the electrostatic energy, for example by touching the grounding clips of a Schuko electrical socket. The motherboard is ATX format with socket AM3 Plus and AMD 970 and SB 950 chipset and supports the AMD processors for socket AM3 Plus and AM3 on both 32 and 45 nanometer technologies. Supports up to 4 RAM memory modules with a maximum capacity of 32 GB, and it has native support for 1866 MHz and with overclocking until 2000 MHz. It has radiators on North Bridge, South Bridge and MOSFETs. On the back, from the left to the right, it has 2 PS2 ports for mouse and keyboard, 6 black USB 2.0 ports, 2 blue USB 3.0 ports. It also has a Gigabit network port and 7.1 sound card output via 3.5mm jack. It has 5 PCI Express 2.0 and 1 slot with 16x speed that is recommended for video card. It has 6 serial ATA 3 ports that can be configured with RAID 0, 1, 5, 10 and JBOD. This was unboxing review for the 970A-DS3P motherboard from Gigabyte. Thanks for watching.